the incident happened last February 25, no? There was a report na I received a call na meron nga nangyari na at first sinkhole kasi yung ano nila, sinkhole yung duda. Kasi bumagsak yung ano talaga, yung kumbaga yung lupa or yung buhangin dun sa may dagat, no? And there were mga videos na nakuha. Well, the first instinct is in-evacuate namin yung mga residents na nandun sa imminent danger, which is yung kumbaga nandun na sa tip talaga nung kung saan yung hole na bumagsak, no? So we evacuated 48 families, no? And then immediately nakipag conference kami kay Mayor, and kasi hindi na talaga pwedeng pabalikan yung area kasi nga talagang in danger na yung buhay nila. So we arranged a meeting with the Mayor, and si Mayor nakapag bigay kaagad ng order to give a relocation site to the families, no? Out of 48 families, 37 yung na-qualify for relocation, no? Ibig sabihin sila yung talagang mga may bahay dun sila yung may-ari ng mga bahay dun sa may sinkhole. And then honestly right now yung Mines and Geosciences Bureau hindi pa sila nakapagbigay ng official report sa amin as to what really caused the it was found out na coastal erosion yung nangyari. It's not a sinkhole, but yun na nga, coastal erosion. And right now ang report lang na kukuha namin is parang progressive yung erosion, no? Ibig sabihin lumalaki ng lumalaki. And the other day again conference kami with the Mayor. And the Mayor decided na yung buong area na yun, pag makikita ninyo yung buong area na yun, lilinisin na, tatanggalin sila lahat doon at i-relocate sila.